Gautam Adarsh. Welcome to our channel. Today onwards we will start discussing algebra. First chapter, that means we will be dividing as chapters from the low level to high level. The first chapter is definition and substitution. First part of this video, this chapter. Now in this part we are going to discuss about expression, term and exponent definitions. Okay. First let's learn about the term. Before knowing what is an expression, let's know what is a term. Product of a numeral and variable. Okay, what is a term? Term is a product of a numeral and a variable. Now what is numeral and variable? Numeral is nothing but a number, variable is nothing but a small alphabet. Now like A, B, C, these are etc. up to Z are called as variables. Okay. Now term is nothing but product of a numeral and variable. Examples, let's see. 5a. You see product is nothing but when you multiply two things, then the answer we call as product. Now here there is no multiplication symbol. Why we call this as product? Yes, this is the main doubt in the first learners. Now for this starters, now in algebra into sign is not seen anywhere. Now 5 into a is equals to 5a. 5a in algebra. So we will be discussing like 5a only. See, before any number there will be a sign, plus or minus. Now suppose before 5a there is no sign, then is it a term? Yes, this is the main doubt. Now in algebra, if there is no sign before the term, we should think it as plus. Now here this will be becoming as plus 5a. 5a means 5 into a, and plus is the symbol preceding, means before 5a. Now this is a term. Minus 3a, minus 6y, minus plus 10z, okay, etc, etc, etc. Now let's go to expression. Okay. Expression is nothing but mixture of terms which are variated by plus or minus. Now okay, what is the expression? Mixture of terms which are variable by plus and minus. Now let's see example. By example we can understand easily. 5a plus 10b minus 6c plus 4z minus 8y minus 13x, okay, etc. Now if you see this 5a, 10b, 6c, 4z, 8y, 13x are the terms. 5a plus 10b minus 6c plus 4z minus 8y minus 13x. These all are the terms. Now they are variated by plus, minus, minus. Okay, these are the variations, means they are differentiated. Now now plus here, plus tells that 5a is different term, 10b is a different term. Here minus tells that 10b is a different term, 6c is a different term. Here before 5a we have plus a, because if nothing is there before a term, we should think it as plus. Okay. Now this is what an expression, mixture. This is a mixture of terms. Terms are variated by, that is we can know that this is a term by plus or minus symbols. Okay. Now we will discuss about exponent. Before knowing exponent, let's see the types of expression. Now expression is divided into two types. Expression is divided. We call it as algebraic expression also. When there are variables, we call it as the literal expression when there are no variables. Suppose minus 8. This is a literal or numeral expression. Now let's see the algebraic expression types. Okay. It is divided into two types. Okay. What are the two types? Compound expression compound expression and simple expression. Okay, there are two types of expression. What are they? Are nothing but compound expression and simple expression. Now in simple expression is also known as monomial. Now monomial is nothing but the expression, the simple expression or the algebraic expression having only one term. Mono is nothing but one. Suppose example, plus 5a, this is a monomial, minus 10a, 10y or 10g, nothing, this is a monomial. Okay, now compound expression is divided into three types. Okay, first one, binomial. Okay, binomial is not here. Binomial, in bi we see bi. Bi is nothing but 2. Means the expression, the compound expression or the algebraic expression having two terms. See, here it is one term. Here it is two terms. We call it as, let's say, 5a minus 10y, 6a plus 13y, etc., etc., etc. Now here another type, second type is trinomial. Trinomial is nothing but having three terms in it. Now tri means 3. Example, 5a minus 10y plus 6a plus 13y, etc., etc., etc. Compound expression, another type is multinomial. Multinomial or polynomial. Okay, polynomial or multinomial. Multi means more, poly also more. Now example, if multi here in this 4 or above. 4 or above we call it as multinomial. If it has 4 or above terms we call it as multinomial. Compound expression is nothing but what? Compound expression is nothing but which has more than one term. Simple expression is nothing but only one term. Now let's discuss about coefficient. The numeral factor of term of a variable in term. See here in expression 5a, suppose let's take this example only. Now let's take this 5a. See the numeral factor of the numeral multiplicand of a variable in term. See here this is a variable. Now when we multiply a with 5, this is a numeral, this is a numeral, this is a variable. Now numeral and variable. Now numeral and variable we are multiplying. Here this numeral one is known as coefficient for this variable one. Okay, variable part of the term. Now okay, sometimes coefficient is also explained as two types: literal, non-literal. Okay, literal is nothing but only the number. Non-literal is nothing but, let's see it, 5xyz. Suppose this is there. Now suppose what is the coefficient of z if you ask 5 unit, but sometimes it also can become the other part, that is fxy, 5xy. Suppose in not, I am explaining once again. In non-literal expression, let's take the example 5xyz. Now if we have a question that what is the coefficient of z, then we directly tell it's 5. But sometimes it also becomes 5xy. In which type? That is in the type of non-literal coefficient. Now when we ask in this way, we should tell that the remaining part, excluding that part, we should tell the remaining part as the coefficient. What we call it as non-literal coefficient. Okay, what is that? Non-literal coefficient. Sorry, I have been explaining the reverse. Not here it is literal, here it is non-literal. Okay, see, non-literal means only the numeral, literal is nothing but other part. Okay, Now let's discuss about the exponent. Now exponent is nothing but see, a into a into a into a. Suppose this is there. Now actually in the algebra we tell this as a, which is not correct. Now what is which one we are multiplying? It's a, and we are multiplying a 1 2 3 4, that is 4 times we are multiplying. So a to the power of 4, this is called as exponent, this is called as base, and this is all called as power. Now what is here is, this is the base, the number, the variable or number which we are multiplying is known as the base. How many times we are multiplying becomes the exponent. Here we are multiplying a, so base is a, and we are multiplying a 4 times, so 4 is the exponent here. The number of times which we multiply is known as the multiply a variable or numeral is known as the exponent of the numeral or variable. This is what called as exponent. Now in the next video we will be learning about the first exercise. Okay, thank you for watching.